major developments in that Clinton's odds have collapsed. So it's now only 1.24. Significantly, we've hit a lower low. So that was we got a higher high, a higher low, about the same high, maybe just higher, and a just higher low there. But this is clearly lower than both of these. So Trump's uptrend might be over. Of course, they're just patterns. People, our brains are geared to see patterns. It doesn't mean it doesn't mean that it means anything. So it could mathematically go up, but that was the game plan. The fact that, okay, Trump's probability of being president declined, but as long as it was still within an uptrend, that would not particularly matter. But with this breakdown, it has broken the uptrend using the normal rules. So, not, I can make up whatever rule I want afterwards. This is the standard way that I would trade, or that trades are done. So that's significant. Likewise, if we look at Clinton, flip to get the odds, or flip the odds to get the probability, and we can see that's a new high. So she's actually broken over the 80% level. So that's the primary thing I wanted to mention, because that's what I've been looking at all the time. So this signals Clinton win, or it's definitely bad for Trump. So the underlying mechanics of the market it's not healthy. Next, if you look at the Real Clear Politics, the current projections, so Clinton has basically 260, which are pretty safe. Trump 165, and undecided or unclear, because it's maybe 50-50. When you do polls, you're getting one is higher than the other, but it's within error, so anything could happen. So as things stand now, on the 10th, Trump needs to win all the toss-ups. So that's like kind of going, you're going to toss 20 coins, and Trump needs all 20 to be heads. It's not mathematically, it's not impossible, but it's highly unlikely. So the polls are also signaling Clinton's won, effectively. I mean, it will take a miracle for Trump to turn things around. If we look at the stock market, and the last while I've been saying this is my preferred indicator. At the moment, like today, it's gone up 13.39. Essentially, if the markets go, into 1180. I think it was 1181.6. But if it goes up another little bit before the vote, then the stock market as well is signaling a Clinton win. So that stock market way, that has been right over 80% of the time. So, and it's a clean signal. So that's pretty much all there is to say. Though these are significant changes, because the trend had been that Clinton had a good lead, but the gap was narrowing and narrowing and narrowing and narrowing. So it was unclear. Likewise, in the betting markets, Trump was in an uptrend. He kept getting higher and higher. I thought, like a typical pattern is, it pulls back half the gap and then it slingshots back. And there was a path by which Trump could end up having a 50-50 chance. That's not looking likely at the moment, after the damage that's been done to the charts by recent moves.